Moving on from question 20 of logical reasoning section number 1, section 2 of LSAT PrepTest 141, which can be found for free over at lawhub.lsac.org. We get to question 21. We've got our highlight tool ready as always, and we're going to read the stem first and then mark exactly what this question wants us to do as its task. So 21 stem reads, which one of the following statements about the students who took Spanish 101 at the university last semester can be properly inferred from the information above? So this is actually kind of in two pieces. So we want to highlight the task of identifying an inference. So we're looking at what can be properly inferred, but we've got a specific population we want to be focused on, which is going to be the students who took Spanish 101 at the university last semester. So whenever we identify an inference task in the STEM, we should recognize immediately that we're going to highlight the individual statements of fact in different colors so that we can track them and then cross-check the answer choices against those facts individually. And this time, whenever I see Spanish 101, I'm going to put it in yellow because that's the color I used for the population as it's referenced in the question STEM. So we read from the top, most of the students who took Spanish 101 at the university last semester attended every class session. Okay, simple enough. Statement of fact, if you took Spanish 101, most likely you attended every class session. However, each student who received a grade lower than B- missed at least one class session. So we'll just highlight this in orange. So each student in that Spanish 101 class at the university last semester who got a grade lower than B- missed at least one class session. So we've just got to focus on the very minute details, make sure that our terms match, and find reasons to eliminate as we go through the answer choices, recognizing that our reasons to eliminate for inference tasks are going to be things that are extreme, things that need additional information, or are actual reversals of the information presented in yellow and orange on the left. Thank you for watching this LSAT explanation video. If you're enjoying the tips that it contains, please consider becoming a My Guru YouTube channel member if you haven't already done so. You'll get access to exclusive videos and early access to new LSAT explanation videos as they're produced as well. Additionally, you'll get access to speak with me and potentially discounts on live tutoring as well. So consider becoming a My Guru member today, but for now, let's get back to this explanation. So choice A, at least some of the students who received a grade of A- or higher. A- or higher, what now? We talked about B-. I don't know anything about grades that are B- or above, at least right now, and certainly don't know anything about the proportion of A-, so we can eliminate choice A immediately as soon as I see A-. Then choice B, most, if not all, of the students who missed at least one class session received a grade lower than B-. So most, if not all, of the students who missed at least one class session, okay, so that's that, received a grade lower than B-. This looks relevant, so we might hold on to this for a moment. Again, being realistic about what's going to happen on actual exam questions similar to this one. Then choice C, most of the students received a grade higher than B-. Well, this says a grade lower than B-. What about the ones that actually got B-? So grade higher than B- completely misses the population that actually get a B-, so we can't do anything with choice C, so we should be able to eliminate it immediately if we note that very subtle distinction. Then choice D, at least one student who received a grade of B- or higher missed one or more class sessions. Okay, so we're B- or higher, that's right, but missed one or more class sessions, I don't know that. I mean, maybe it guaranteed that you get a B- or lower. I have no idea. So D is not going to be correct either because it requires additional information to be certain. And then choice E, more than half of the students received a grade of B- or higher. Well, most attended every class session, so that would be more than half. And we know that if you attended every class session, you didn't get a grade lower than B-. So E is absolutely going to be true. But just for completion's sake, going back to choice B, most, if not all, of the students who missed at least one class session received a grade lower than B-. We don't know that. Again, we know that if you got a B minus, you had to miss at least one class, but maybe it was just like Timmy. Timmy got a B minus and he missed one class. There were five other students. They missed one class, but they all still managed to get a B minus or higher. So again, B would need additional information. And of course, choice E is the only one that is guaranteed to be true, which we know is what we're looking for as the correct answer for any inference task in the logical reasoning sections of the LSAT.